Okay, Karma's gonna teach you how, see? She's like, follow me. I know. Oh, there you go. You love to go racing upstairs, but coming down is different. Karma, go show her again. Go get her. Go get her. Show her how. Good girl. Okay, come on. Come on, Karma. Show her how. Come on, Zena. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you stuck upstairs? Zena. Come on, you can give it a try. You can do it. Oh, even Zeus is gonna try and show you how. Okay, come on. All right, come on, guys. Come on, Zeus, show her how. Come on, Zeus. Good boy, Zeus. Come on, if he can do it, you can do it. Come on, baby, you can do it. Zena. Come on, little Dutch puppy. Come on. Yay, you got the first step. Good job. What are you doing? Are you going to come down those stairs? Come on, baby. You can do it. Good girl. Oh, come on, baby. You can do it. Hi, sweetie. Zena. Good girl. Come on. Nobody's gonna help you. You gotta do it yourself. Be brave. Here comes Karma. She's going to try and show you again. Good girl, Karma. You show her how to do it. Come on, baby. There you go. Good girl. Oh, I know. Get frustrated. Be brave. Come on. You can do it. Come on, baby girl. Karma, go show her again. Karma, go show her again. Get her. Go get her. Show her how. Get the baby. There you go. You can do it. Good girl. It's just a matter of learning what to do with the back feet. Come on, baby. Good girl. Good. Good. Figure out those hind feet. No. Come on. You can do it. Oh, come on, Zena. There's a good girl. You can do it. Go show her how. Go show her. Good girl, Karma. Show her how. You're such a mommy dog, Karma. Okay, show her how. Come running. Good girl. See, that's how we do it. Well, come on. You wanted to be up there so badly. Did you, good girl, come on. Figure out those hind legs. What are you doing? You got one hind leg. Yes, you're doing it. Good job. There's a big girl. Now, why is backing up easier? Oh, goodness. You were doing it. You were doing it. I'm not going to save you. You got to figure it out yourself. Come on. Come on, baby girl. Okay, I'm going to sit on the stairs halfway up. Come on. Come on. Come on, little Dutchie. You wanted to go upstairs so badly. Coming back down's a different story, isn't it? Go show her, Karma. Go get her. Go get her. Show her how. Good girl, Karma. Come on, Karma. Yeah. There you go. There you go. There you go. You're doing it. You're doing it. Okay, come on. You're doing it. Hi, baby. Go show her how. Oh. Jesus, go show her how. There she comes. There she comes. Hi, Xena. You're getting it. You're getting it. Yes, you are. Come on. Good girl. Come on. You can do it. Just a couple more. Hi, baby. Look at that Dutch puppy being brave. Hi, sweetie. Do you want to go all the way by yourself? You're halfway. It's just as easy to come all the way down as it is to back up now. Good girl. Come on.